everyone, my name is Demalia from 6th class. This is my friend, intellectual method.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Balapriya. I am from 5th standard.
This is our science project. Our science project name is Dirty Water Changed into Purified Water. I am going to tell about the natural purified water. One cup for coal, 1 cup for stone, 1 cup for sand, and 1 cup for cotton.
This is our science fair. Water purify natural and clean. Water purify natural and clean.
Thanks for listening.